So that's the Supreme Court, man. But before I do, there's another important decision that came down from the Supreme Court that is just as vital. It can touch your everyday life, and it will, because it's coming. The Chevron Resolution. It's not a gas company, y'all. The Chevron Resolution that's been in order for 40 years. The Supreme Court did away with it. So what happens is this. Congress does a law.
Yep.
Right? But Congress don't know how to enforce it and do this and that. So they leave that up to the experts. Yep. Depending on what it is, they could put out an order for clean air. It's written, it's ambiguous. Can't nobody hardly interpret it. They leave it for the experts at the EPA.
Right.
Or if it's food, they leave it for the experts at the FDA.
Right.
Taxes, energy, everything in your life. They lead to the experts at these different departments.
They just put the law in.
The Chevron Act, they did away with it. Now they said, nope, the court will have to interpret it. So you gave the court way too much power.
Right.
And this individual judge way too much about something that he ain't no expert in.
Right.
The stupidest decision the Supreme Court has made thus far. Besides Roe v. Wade.
Right.
Besides affirmative action. And this court has been, I started looking at ways that you could get rid of this court. And you can impeach judges.
Right.
On the Supreme Court through Congress, which we ain't got enough in there.
Well, they tried that with
we ain't got enough in there.
Right.
See, y'all got the vote straight Democratic. I ain't gonna bullshit you. You got to get the Senate and the House because these people running amok.
Yep.
I mean, it just is what it is. Some of these laws don't even make sense. And they're doing away with years of precedent to appease one person and to make sure one person walk. We got to hold them accountable at the voting booth.
Hey, but I tell people all the time, man.
Say it all the time, man.
I tell you, when you got these laws that are made and everybody got their own agenda when they come in there. When they keep doing amendments and amendments and amendments, they water the law down so much you don't even know what it's there for.
Yeah. Yeah. But that's what these agencies are for.
Yeah.
But now you've said, nope. Yeah. We're not giving it to the agency. We're not going to give it to the experts and the scientists and the people who've done this forever.
We're going to give it to a judge that we can pay off.
We're going to give it to Judge Cannon, who don't know nothing already. And let her judge water and air and taxes and not. Man, y'all, we got some dark roads ahead.
Yeah.
I ain't scared, though, man, because this is biblical. I tell people all the time, this is biblical.